This exercise is a four-way pendulum. So this is going to be a passive movement. You're not actively using your shoulder at all. Just a way of moving that shoulder around without actively having to do that. So you're going to be holding on to a stable surface. Whatever arm you're working is completely relaxed. So let that arm go completely limp. You shouldn't feel any of your muscles working at all. So you're going to maintain that limpness and now use your body's momentum to create that direction that you want the arm to go in. So if we're going flexion extension of the shoulder, you're just going to staggered stance with the legs, shift your body forward and back, and that's going to bring your arm into flexion and extension. And then to go into abduction, adduction, or just side to side, I'll usually go in even stance, and now same thing, just shifting back and forth from my right leg to my left leg. That'll shift the arm back and side to side. From there, we got clockwise and counterclockwise. Staggered stance again, and now you're still using that forward and back momentum of your body, and maybe adding a little bit of a circle with your torso so that it makes the arm go in that clockwise manner. And then obviously doing the opposite to go counterclockwise as well. Again, you're not using that active arm at all, so you shouldn't be feeling the muscles really working at all. Momentum is doing all the work, and that is a four-way pendulum.